Use your sourdough discard to make this healthy and delicious banana bread. Let's gather and combine our wet ingredients. In a bowl, put oil, maple syrup, sourdough discard, a whole egg, stir using a whisk, and then add your ripe mashed banana. Give it a little stir and set it on the side. Now let's combine our dry ingredients. We have whole wheat, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and a little bit of cinnamon. You are going to stir to make sure that everything's nicely mixed, and you're going to add it to your wet ingredients in 2 additions. Our next step is to grease our loaf pan. To make it extra yummy, I decided to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Make sure that you stir them well inside and then pour the mixture in your loaf pan. You won't believe how yummy and delicious and also healthy this sourdough banana bread is. I hope you enjoy it and that you make it your own. Remember that you can style it with strawberries, raspberries, you can drizzle chocolate, anything you like. Remember to like the video to be able to support the studio and make sure to check other recipes.